In this video, we're going to set up our free autoresponder, and this is really one of the big driving forces behind this system. An autoresponder allows you to literally promote the business on autopilot, meaning it's going to automatically, as you set it up, could send messages with your affiliate links in them for your products. Getting people and generating leads is one of the best things you can do. In fact, it's one of the only ways to have a very sustainable business as an affiliate. And the great thing about Listwire is that it is a reliable, free autoresponder, meaning, again, you don't have to pay for it. It's an excellent service that you can use so that you can collect customers' name and email after they've requested a free report. And as we go along with this series, I'm going to show you how to create that free PDF report. So what you want to do is go to listwire.com. Again, that's listwire.com. Just like you see on your screen, but with .com. And when it's your first time there, you're going to go to sign up. Just click on sign up at listwire.com. So what you're going to do here is put in your account username. So your account username would be, whatever you want to call it. So we're just going to call this training video creations. Account password would be your preferred password. For first and last name, just put that in there. And then put in all your address, because that's important that you do put that in there. So put your business name if you have one. So we'll call this J Smith Inc. Now obviously you want to put in honest information. I'm just kind of showing you example data here just for this example. Okay, so we'll just do that. 4th Avenue. And then city, we'll just put in the zip code there. And we'll just make one up here for now. Select your country. Again, it's important you put in the exact information here, your home address, your business address. If you have a business address, that'd be preferred, but if you don't, that's okay. So we're just going to put in a phone number here and put in your email address. That's very important. Next thing you do is to click here to create your Listwire account. So you went to sign up, put in your username, password, click here to create your Listwire account. And there it goes. It says create your free Listwire account. And looks like I have a problem there because I created a long username. So let's just go here and say training vids. So we'll shorten it a little bit. Choose click here to create the account. See if that goes through again. Right here, just one more step. Thanks for signing up. We're going to need you to complete one more step before you log in. It's an easy one, and it's going to send us back to our email here. So I like to have my Gmail account open that we recommended you create. It could be Gmail or any free email provider, but just right here, it'll say, hey, John, for my example, but in your case, it might have your name, and it's going to ask for a verification link that you want to click on. So just click on this link here to verify who you are. And there you go. So now that's verified. And click here to log in and account username. Click here to log in. And I'm going to save that password. And right here. So here's the problem. You're probably going to see this message when you first log in. You typically do. It's going to say the problem is you're missing a valid postal address. So what you want to do is come right in here and put in your valid postal address. That's very, very important for this to work because in order to be CAN spam compliant, you need to make sure you have a valid postal address in there. So we're going to do that here. And right here, so you got your from name, your email, and your postal address. You can just plug in here. So we'll just go 11114, and we'll do 4th Avenue, and then we'll do Suite 506, and then we'll put in the city 44400. I'm just creating a random one. Right here, account replication, no, do not allow others to copy my auto response, follow up, and custom fields, or you could allow it. I'm just going to go with no. Replication password. That's if you want somebody to be able to do that. Don't worry about this stuff. Confirm, redirect, so you don't need to worry about that. No, do not pause my account. And then you can connect your account with Twitter if you wanted to. So every time you post something, it would go on to your Twitter account. And we could set that up later if you wanted to. But if you do have a Twitter account, every time you send out an email message, it would send it out to Twitter and also post it to Facebook. So if you're promoting like the affiliate links and stuff within there, it might be a good option for you. So we'll just go to update the autoresponder options. Make sure you have a postal address in there. And now we've got success information updated successfully. Options and settings for the list, training vids at listwire.com. Switch your username at listwire.com. And that's not an email you have, that's just going to be like the email that Listwire will send from, just in case you're wondering what that all means. So the next thing you want to do is to go right up here to where it says manage autoresponders. And you want to go here and click here to add a new autoresponder, and you can create it related to your niche market. And we're going to cover that in the next video, or in one of the next videos after we have created the free report, so we can actually know what we're going to be doing and all that. So now that you have your Listwire account set up, we can go on to the next step of the process. So this is a very important step. Set up your Listwire account and you're ready to go.